Hi, here I have a digital microscope. Now first and foremost, it comes in 3 pieces. It comes with the camera, and then the actual stand, and then the hook that you can the clamp that you can clamp onto the table. The clamp is just a simple screw. You just turn around until it gets tight enough. The bottom here is just a foam plastic soft padding that just helps protect the table so it doesn't get damaged or scraped, as well as a screw here that you can tighten to the stand so it does not go anywhere. The stand itself is very lightweight and bendable, very flexible, so you can completely fold it in half with springs here as well. And then you have the microscope itself. It is digital plastic cover with lights here on the bottom. When you put it on a surface of whatever kind, it will magnify it and start showing you the magnified, whatever you have magnified and what it's on. So like here's my hand and it's showing you kind of the magnified up close version of my palm. The screen is plastic, and then the body itself is also plastic as well. If you want to take the microscope off, you just screw it off, and there you go. And then it comes with several different zoom sizes. It goes up to 1.52, 2.53, and that's the highest it can go. And then you have mode, okay, and then the off button. Just hold it for a few seconds and then it'll turn off. It does not come with a card, but other than that, it's all good. Okay, this was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.